Duda here from Brazil with
Bala from Brazil too.
the last few months was amazing because we are here in the United States for a training season. We rode in the most perfect parks in the world. We improve ourselves too much. In Brazil, we don't have many wood parks. Have one in São Bernardo do Campo, Brazilian tournament center, but it's different than here. We have many things in mind, many dreams to realize, and for this we need to training and improve ourselves. This trip helped us a lot. Riding with these pros was amazing because we see how important the training and everything is, the evolution of these guys. We already met all these athletes in championships and everything, but we never know the routine. It was so good for us to meet this reality and improve ourselves. Had the opportunity, we rode with Nikita, Justin, Daniel Duda'S, Jamie Bestway. We had a little part of all the world in the same place and same time. It was a really good experience for us.
Foi incrível demais estar no Duda'S por conta que desde pequeno conheci ele em 2012. Tirei uma foto com ele e hoje em dia estou aqui na pista dele andando e tipo, isso foi incrível para mim.
The wheel was amazing because it was my first trip with the whole GT team, the second for Bala. We had great moments there, surprising, amazing. It's such an important moment, so special, and we feel good because our first time there, many fun ramps, many friends. It was such an amazing because we didn't expect this for our trip.
Assim, o Higher lá no Pittsburgh lá, no evento do Penso, tipo, foi incrível por conta que tipo, nós chegou, fez a surpresa e tinha 5 minutos para acabar o Higher e só coloquei o capacete, foi tipo insano aquilo e muito feliz de estar aqui. Depois que rolou o Higher, a gente começou a filmar umas outras coisas lá no pub track, depois foi para as mesas. Comecei a andar e fui dar um tire grab lá e acabou dando um ring up. Fiquei sem força e bati o queixo e abri. A gente foi na clínica, no hospital. Levei 8 pontos, coloquei um band-aid e fui andar de novo.
This trip we meet Snow, it's really a kid dream, yeah. Do some angels and snowman, and it was really amazing. So different than we imagined. In Brazil we don't have snow, just really cold winter, but not snow. It was crazy. We loved this. I think we see snow for many weeks. In Woodward, it was so cold, but it's really amazing, fun time. Disney was biggest dream for us because we grew up watching films and all the characters. And when we had the opportunity to come to Orlando to the Florida Swim Fest, we asked Jeff and GT guys for spend one day more and had the opportunity to meet Disney. Swim Fest was amazing because we feel the real BMX. It's all having fun. All the persons screaming for you, good vibrations.
Onde foi o Higher aqui no Bowl, Foi muito style ontem, tava eu e o Leandro. Começamos a disputar ali o High Air. Depois o Oliveira puxou o Flare e eu fui em seguida no Flare também. E consegui ganhar o High Air, onde tipo, foi insano ontem.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, you too. Killed it. Thank you, man. Woo!
Yeah!
Woo!
We want to thank GT, Vans, Vans Brazil, Vans BMX, and your sponsors.
HIs, pra estar ajudando nas malas sempre, ajudando sempre nas coisas aqui, que aqui é muito caro.
Dream
Dream
BMX, and I want to thank you, Crisol. I speak this in English. I want to thank you, Crisol, Baixer, Vitral, Oasis, all my friends and family who support us, all the brands that believe in our dream, in our potential. It's so important for us, and thank you everyone. If I miss something, please don't kill us. I really want to thank everyone for our heart. It's so important for us.
Três?
Três. Ah!